Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on dark mode on the Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, make sure that your Instagram is updated. Right here Instagram, and here you will see that my Instagram is updated. So I will open it. After that, you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. After that, you will see three line on top right. Click on it and then click on setting, and then you will see the option dark mode. Click on it. After that, click on on option. After this setting, you can turn on or enable dark mode on the Instagram. So in this video, I told you how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.